If LDPlayer is having resolution problems or not going full screen properly, that can make games look stretched, blurry, or stuck in a small window. The good news is this is usually a simple settings fix. First, try switching to full screen mode. Press the full screen button inside LDPlayer, or use the shortcut key to expand the window. Next, open LDPlayer settings and adjust the resolution. Set it to match your monitor resolution for the best display quality. Now check DPI settings. If DPI is too low or too high, it can cause scaling issues and broken full screen display. If the issue continues, switch graphics mode between OpenGL and DirectX. Sometimes rendering mode affects how full screen behaves. Next, check your Windows display scaling. Set it to 100% or recommended, because wrong scaling can break full screen in emulators. You should also update LDPlayer and your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers can cause resolution bugs and screen stretching issues. If nothing works, uninstall LDPlayer and install the latest version again. Corrupted settings can also break resolution and full screen mode. And that's it. One of these fixes should solve the LDPlayer resolution or full screen issue and get everything displaying correctly again.